what is static friction and what is maximum static friction, which is called Fs max. We know that it is called limiting friction also, the terminology. Consider this one. This one is thermocol sheet. It's a mobile phone. If you consider this one is purely horizontal surface, there is no inclination, no small inclination also. So in this situation, what about the frictional force, static friction between mobile phone and thermocol sheet?
Zero.
Why?
Because there is no impediment.
Because there is no impending motion. Okay, and we know that frictional force opposes impending motion. In this figure, this is the block having mass m, this is the floor, weight force is there, and it is balanced by normal force. This surface react. So normal force is mg, but there is no horizontal force, so there is no friction. Okay, so here static friction is 0. But what about limiting friction?
Mu s into n.
What is n?
Normal.
Yes, so mu s into n, that is mu s mg. Now I am increasing the slope slowly. In this situation there is no static friction, but the limiting friction is mu s mg. Now I am increasing the slope slowly. At this angle, the mobile phone is in stationary situation. So in this situation, suppose angle of inclination is theta. What about static friction? Yes,
Mu s into
simple static friction.
mg cos
Simple static friction,
0.
not 0. Consider this figure. Weight force is this, mg cos theta, mg sin theta. But in this situation, block is in stationary form. So this mg sin theta must balanced by some other force, and the other force is static friction. So in this situation, static friction is mg sin theta. But in this situation, Fs max is again mu s into n. But now normal force is not mg. The normal force is mg cos theta. So limiting friction is mu s mg cos theta. Again I am increasing the slope. When it exceeds certain angle, it starts. The surface is not uniform. So at middle, again it stops. So this surface mu s and this surface shall perhaps may be different. So at certain angle, it slides downward. When it exceeds certain angle, which is called theta max, the motion starts. Okay? So consider this figure. So in this figure, theta is theta max. When the angle of inclination exceeds theta max, it just slides. So in this situation, Fs is mg sin theta. Okay? And Fs max is again mu s into normal force, but this time normal force is mg cos theta max. In this situation, these two are equal. So mg sin theta max is balanced by mu s mg cos theta max. mg cut out. So tan theta max is mu s. So overall, if we increase angle of inclination, static friction increases. Simple static friction. Here it is 0, here it is mg sin theta, and here it is mg sin theta max. And we know that in first quadrant sin theta is an increasing function. Okay, so theta increases. But the limiting friction, here limiting friction is mu s mg. Here the limiting friction is mu s mg cos theta, which is something less than this, because of cos theta is a decreasing function in first quadrant. And here the limiting friction is mu s into normal force, and the normal force is here is mu s mg cos theta max. So mu s mg is greater than mu s mg cos theta, which is greater than mu s mg cos theta max. That is limiting friction decreases, but simple static friction increases.